Here we have this 4Runner in the shop, getting a really good economical suspension kit. A couple things about this suspension here. This is a double A-arm suspension, very similar to the 2005 to current Toyota Tacoma suspension. The 4Runner kind of shares that same platform. So this is a Fox 2.0 aluminum body shock, and you see these grooves here. So you put the spring in a spring compressor, and you can pick which groove you want. So right now we have more preload on there, which would lift the vehicle a little bit more. This is paired with our X-Joint upper control arms. This is a ball joint, all-weather, all-condition ball joint, and it has our new accordion-style ball joint boot that is double lip sealed. This is a greasable ball joint. They have a boot on the bottom, and they're much larger than the other ball joints on the market, and they're heat-treated alloy steel.